to start our first course, algebra, and in first chapter, sets, relation, and function. What is a set? Set is what? Collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined objects. The objects of set are also called an elements, and we denote the set, and is denoted by we denote set by capital letter A, B, C, and so on. And elements are denoted by using small letters, small a, small b, small c, and so on. Next, there are two ways we can represent. For example, collection of all students A is equal to set of collection of all students from FY BSc class. This is also a set. Or for example, this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all natural number from 1 to 5. Or we can also represent this set as collection of all x belongs to n, such that 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. So this way, these are the two methods to represent set. That is x. There is some condition on x. X is a natural number. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Or you can represent this a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can enclose your elements in curly bracket, or there is some condition, and then this way also you can represent a set. Now next, cardinality of set. The number of elements, cardinality of set. And it is denoted by, suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 11. Okay. Then number of elements in that set is called the cardinality of that set. For example, it is denoted by, you can enclose that set in two vertical lines. This symbol for cardinality of set, and it is equal to how many elements in this set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So cardinality of this set is equal to 6. And again there are two types of the set, finite set and infinite set. If the number of elements are finite, then we can say that set is a finite. Otherwise it is called an infinite set. So today we are going to see some infinite set. It is also called a standard set. They are all infinite set. The first set is what? Set of natural number. Set of natural number. Set of natural numbers. It is denoted by, this is the symbol to denote a natural number set, and it contains an elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. This is also called counting number, because why? Because we always start our counting from 1, 2, 3 like this, okay. So these are called natural numbers. And this is an infinite set. Okay. Next, number 2. This is also called a God-gifted set. Next, integer set. Integer set. Integer set. It is equal to, it contains negative of natural numbers. That is negative of natural number -4, -3, -2, -1. Also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So if you add 0 and negative of natural number, then it forms a set of integers. In a second chapter, we are going to see the detailed properties of integer set. Okay, there is there are two chapters based on this set, integer set. Now next, number 3, rationals. Okay, rational number sets, rational numbers. Rational number set, it is of the form p by q. Q is not equal to 0 and pq belongs to z, or it has a terminating decimal or fraction, or it is also repeating, terminating or repeating decimal fraction असेल तर त्याला सुद्धा आपण rational number म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल जर असा असेल 0.123, so it is a rational number, or 0.11222. so this decimal fraction is not ending, the sequence is not stopped, but there is some repetition, so this is also a rational number. Again, another example is 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 by 6. They are all irrational numbers. Then next, irrational number set. Irrational number set. Do remember this integer set we denoted by z. This rational number set we denoted by capital Q. And next, irrational number set. Irrational numbers. Those numbers are not rational. Those numbers which are not rationals called irrational number, and it is denoted by q complement. It is denoted by q complement. Then, and it contains example. For example, it is pi, under root 2, under root 3, then e, under root 5. They are all irrational numbers. Okay. And second definition, what? Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal fraction. The non-terminating and non-repeating decimal fraction असेल, it is also called irrational number. Then number next 5, real number set. Real numbers, the union of rational and irrational number, or if you take the union of all these sets, it forms a set of real numbers, and it is denoted by capital set R. It is what? Union of rational and irrational set is called a set of real numbers. Again, in course number 2, we are going to see the details of real number set. Order properties are there, algebraic properties are there, absolute value function is there, supremum, infimum is there. So completely one chapters based on this set, 2 chapters based on this integer set. Okay. So once you understand this set, this standard set, the next things are very simple. Next, last set is what? Complex number set. Complex number set, and it is denoted by capital C, and it is of the form a plus iota b, where ab belongs to R and I is equal to under root of -1. Again, there is completely one chapter based on complex number. So if you observe the this chapter is set and relation, one chapter, then 2 chapters on integer set, 1 chapter on real number set, and 1 chapter on complex number set. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर हे सेट थेअरी मध्ये जर तुम्हाला नंबर्स जर व्यवस्थित माहित असतील, कोणत्या सेट मध्ये कोणते नंबर्स येतात, आणि if you know the relation between them, then you can cover 4 chapters, okay, by in this set. So now next hope you understand this standard set. Now next we want to start subset. Okay, if all elements of set A, all elements of set A are in elements of set B, then set A is a subset of set B, and it is denoted by A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. For example, if A is equal to, if you take the suppose set A is a collection of all students from FY basic class, and set B is equal to all boys student, then is what? B is a subset of A. All boys student is a subset of all students from FY basic class. Suppose here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then clearly all the elements of set A are elements of set B. हा 1 या सेट मध्ये आहे, 2 पण आहे, 3 पण आहे. So A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Now next there are some operations on set. Some operations on